Once respondents have answered your surveys and mappings have been created, the Report Builder menu item is where you gain a full overview of your data. This is where we transform the collected responses into valuable insights. To start your first report, simply click the New Report button. We build the report step by step from the top. First, we need to define the content under Select Report Elements. Under Choose Report Pages, the system has pre-selected the most popular overviews. You can easily customize this by clicking in the field. Here you can remove pages you don't need or add others, such as resources, if you wish to use it to refer users to further learning. If you want to dive deeper into the numbers, you can select specific competencies under Include a competence analysis. If you choose, for example, communication or storage here, the report will generate a detailed analysis specifically for these areas. Similarly, under Include a question analysis, you can select individual questions if you want to see the precise distribution of answers at a detailed level. Once the content is in place, we need to choose who the report covers. We do this under Select Mappings to include in report. Start by giving your dataset a title. This makes it easier to remember what you are looking at later. You have the option to choose individuals under Select Specific Mappings, but the most effective method is almost always to use Select by Groups. Here, you can select an entire department or team with a single click. If you need to be even more precise, you can use the filters below to sort by questions, dates, or specific answers. Then click View Report at the top to generate the result. Here you see the finished report. At the top you have the headline and details regarding the generated report. To the left you find the report menu. Here you can quickly navigate between the sections we selected earlier, for example to jump directly to total score or view recommendations for further competence development. At the top right you see your options for printing or sharing. You can click Save Result and copy the unique link to the report for sharing without requiring the recipient to log into the system. This is the absolute easiest way to share the report with colleagues or management. Additionally, there is the option to visualize your data graphically for use on websites or in presentations. Start by clicking the Charts menu item. Here, you can build custom and advanced diagrams. The process resembles the report builder. First, choose the type of chart you would like to create. In the panel under Data Source, choose where the numbers should come from. You can base your chart on an existing report by pasting the link under Report URL. The chart updates continuously on the right, so you can immediately see the effect of your choices. You can customize colors, titles, labels, axes, and more through the menu items until the look is just right. When you are finished, you will find two ways to share your work. Under Direct Link, you get a web link that you can send directly to colleagues. Note that this chart is dynamic, meaning it automatically changes if new responses come into the underlying report. Alternatively, you can use embed code if you want to embed the chart directly on your company website or intranet. We have now reviewed how to create surveys, groups, mappings, reports, and charts. We hope this was a comprehensive guide to getting started with competence mapping on MapUs and identifying the best opportunities for further competence development. For further detailed walkthroughs of the elements across the site, you can find more in-depth guides under the Tutorials or Guides menu item. If you have further questions or wish to get in touch, please write to us at info@mapus.io or use the contact form here on the MapUs site.